Hey, welcome back to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike, and yes, indeed, we have a good recipe for you today. I'm making a kicked up cornbread dressing, and I just can't even wait to put my lips on it because I know how good it is. Here's all the ingredients, not necessarily in the order of what we're going to use them, okay? We have salt. This is Himalayan pink. We have a little cayenne pepper right here. We have some sage, thyme. This is a rosemary garlic seasoning. I love it. And then this is some Paul Prudhomme's Poultry Magic. And we also are going to have, we have 3 eggs, butter. Naturally, we have a couple of cornbreads. Hey, by the way, if you want to know how to make this cornbread, and it's so awesome, I'll put a link in the description to that video because it's really easy. It won't take you long to make it. Then I have onions, bell pepper. These are 2 different kind of onions. This is green onion. Now, each of these is like 8 ounces, and I think I kind of overstuffed them a little bit, But we have regular yellow onion, green onion, bell pepper, celery, parsley, garlic, and then we have a secret ingredient, Savoie's dressing mix. You ever use it? Hey, if you haven't, you're in for a treat. I'm going to be adding a little olive oil and butter to the skillet later, but I also have some homemade chicken stock. And if you don't have it homemade, fine, just go buy it in a box or make it, make it with the powdered mix, but you need some chicken stock. So it's really easy. Well, let me go ahead and show you how to put this together. First thing to do is break up the cornbread, put it in the bowl. Try not to make a mess. So just break it up the best you can. Got all the cornbread ready to go. Let's put this aside to start on our veggies. All right, let's go ahead and get the butter in. Got my fire on medium high. Let's put it on high just for a little bit. So we need about 3 tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil. That's about right. And we're going to wait until the butter melts. Okay, butter looks good. It's time to go in with our veggies. Going to put in our onions. Well, remember, we have 2 different kind of onions here. Oh man, look at that, man. Ooh, does that smell good? We have some bell pepper. And that bell pepper came right out of my garden. And the sound you may have just heard is the oven is preheated to 400. Don't forget, preheat your oven about now. Celery, parsley, and garlic. Looks like a lot. We're going to saute this down. May take 5-10 minutes. We're going to saute it down. We're going to get it nice and soft. I'll be back when my veggies are cooked and I'll show you what they look like. Wow, it's looking beautiful. And my house is smelling like Christmas. It's about time to go ahead and add in all of the spices. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my salt. This is cayenne. And then all of the other spices are going in right now. And I'm going to mix all this together. Remember, everything will be in the, all the ingredients, instructions will be in the description under the video. I'll go ahead and mix all this up really good. Turn my fire off and we'll just let this rest for a second because I need to go ahead and crack up these eggs. Let's get these babies done. All right, so we whip up our egg. Okie dokie. First thing, go ahead and take all of our sauteed seasonings, mix that in with the cornbread, and I'll mix that in just a little bit. I'm going to add in my egg. Mix all this in. And of course, it's a little dry, right? So we have some chicken stock. I had that on the stove, and it was a quart of chicken stock. Now, are we going to add a whole quart? No. I'm gonna add until it's hydrated and it's moist, but not swimming, right? Oh yeah, a little bit more. Man, that chicken stock smells so good. If you guys aren't making your own chicken stock at home, give it a try. It's wonderful. That's probably a pint. So that's about all I need right there. Now for the secret ingredient. Dressing mix, Savoie. There you go. Okay. Oh man, does it look good? Can you see how that looks? Oh man, this is gonna be so good, y'all. All right, we got our casserole dish here. We're gonna give it a little spray. You can put a little butter in there if you like. Either way, it'll work out just fine. All right, just kind of spread it around a little bit. All right, so now it's time to go in the oven, and we'll be back in about 45 minutes to show you what it looks like. It's gonna be great. Look here, the cornbread's out of the oven, 45 minutes. It's beautiful. I'll bet you it tastes great too. So let's go ahead and have a taste. Oh man, I can't wait to eat this. Oh my God, does it smell so good? Oh boy. Oh no. Oh no. I'm gonna have to eat this whole thing by myself. Oh man. That with a little turkey gravy. Oh my goodness. I think I probably died and went to heaven on this one. Oh, this is absolutely outstanding. Oh Lord, another best recipe. This is the best cornbread dressing I ever had. Oh yeah. Holy mackerel, that's good. No kidding. Probably the best cornbread dressing I ever put past my lips. That's how good this is. Get this recipe, make it for yourself. You'll see what I'm talking about. Thank you for tuning in to the Sanders Kitchen. We love you guys. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when we come out with all our new videos. You'll be first to know. Have a great week. Make you some cornbread dressing. Let me know in the comments how it comes out. Remember, we love you, and God bless you.